is that there's normally one group that checks all our boxes, and obviously, when we were evaluating this, I guess you guys came out on top because we're still here. Once it takes a little bit to get working, not excessive, but once you're working and maintaining it and managing it, it's all reasonable. Which, from an IT perspective, that's good. Things are considerably less challenging than I've experienced in other arenas. I think I did the integration, and I don't remember what I did, but it wasn't too bad. When did we start up with you guys? 2010, 2012?
2012, I believe, Kelly.
Yeah,
Right?
I think that's about right.
Yeah, so...
almost 10 years. 10 years, yeah.
I
feel like we should celebrate.
Good.
Cheers.
Yeah.
Good. I'll never tell you everything is great. Because as soon as you say everything is great, everything falls apart.
Yeah.
That's just the nature of survival in the IT world. Like you said, the 10 years is a sign that it's a solid offer. To get to that point is hard. To keep the product running with I don't want to say minimal amount of effort, but a reasonable amount of effort. And in all fairness, we did this probably about 2010, maybe 2012, and we still have a relationship. So that's that says a lot. It says a lot more than what I'm making it out to be. But the fact that we keep on renewing means that we still getting value out of it.